Today I will show you how magnesium and ZMA can help you sleep better and recover faster. Hi, this is Kamal, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. If you want to start your transformation, contact me or download my app KFitHub on iOS or Android. Most people don't understand this. Your daily stress is affecting your body. Work pressure, meetings, phone usage, all of this increase a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol helps you stay alert during the day, but if it stays high at night, your body can't relax. That's why you feel tired but not able to sleep. Now this is where magnesium helps. Magnesium helps your body relax, it calms your nervous system. Also, many people don't get enough magnesium, especially if you work out regularly, sweat a lot, have high stress, eat more processed foods. Now let's talk about ZMA. ZMA is a mix of zinc, magnesium and vitamin B6. If you take 30 to 60 minutes before bed, it can help you sleep deeper. And deep sleep is very important because during deep sleep, your muscle repair, your body recovers, your hormones balance. If your sleep is poor, your result will slow down. There is one more important point. If you don't sleep well, next day you feel more hungry, you crave junk food, fat loss becomes harder. So sleep affects everything. Fat loss, muscle gain, energy, focus, everything. Don't depend only on supplements. Also do this. Avoid phone before sleep at least 1 hour before. Keep your room dark and cool. Avoid caffeine during late evenings. Sleep at the same time daily. If you want a simple recovery plan, DM me or check my app KFitHub. Follow for simple science-based fitness advice.